I think you're going to have to go back outside because we're going to see you from outside. Duty done, we will be able to record this as received and say thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Nate nyalamba buliyo kana kalala. Amamesa amanji. Ne gasobola okwesimira obunyanga ki. Gatulina muki. We've been singing reforms for the last 3 regimes. No, we want an independent electoral commission, we want this. Has it happened? Even recently, all the submissions that were submitted to the committee by the opposition, none, not a single piece was ever considered. When we went to Parliament and they tried to bring up these reforms, nobody bothered.